WearSway simulates the swaying motion of clothes caused by strong wind. Experiences of the strong wind are applied in disaster prevention education or entertainment such as games. Wind display is a type of haptic device that reproduces wind, enhancing the realism of the content. However, using a powerful fan to blow strong wind across the whole body is problematic because of the size of the device and the danger of strong winds. Could a compact and lightweight device induce the tactile sensation of the strong wind? When situated in a strong gale, we experience the phenomenon of our clothes fluttering vigorously. We considered that we could reproduce the sensation of the strong wind using the tactile stimulus of the swaying clothes. We developed WearSway, which simulates the swaying clothes in strong wind by pulling strings from motors. The compact and lightweight wearable device makes it easy to experience realistic strong winds anywhere. The wind-induced intense swaying of clothing occurs in winds stronger than around 15 meters per second. We measured the vibration caused by a 15 meters per second wind and observed the peak vibration, around 13 Hz. We designed the device to vibrate strings fixed to the cloth, so that the hard parts do not directly touch the cloth. WearSway comprises a cloth unit that can be worn over the arm, and an actuator unit to vibrate the cloth. The actuator unit can be easily fixed to the cloth unit, and the length of the strings can be adjusted. We input a 13 Hz sinusoidal wave to the vibration actuator. When the strings connected to the cloth unit are vibrated, it sways as if blown by strong wind. We tested WearSway's ability to reproduce the swaying motion by wind. The cloth unit swayed with a fundamental frequency of 13 Hz, the same as the input. We have designed 3 demonstrations to showcase the applications of WearSway. In the storm experience, users can experience the power of strong wind through the sensation of their clothes swaying. In the flight experience, the airflow from the front is filled with a high sense of realism through WearSway. WearSway can be used for fictional haptic effects such as a magic battle game, as well as actual wind. The use of clothes for providing wind sensation would expand the possibilities of the wind displays and virtual reality.